Hello children, now we are going to find the colors. Identify the colors and we'll see the first one here. Some colors are here. I think you can remember the colors. The first one here. What is this color? Yellow. What is this color? Yellow. This one, green. What is this color? Green. And here, what is this color? Red. Now here, yellow, green, red. Yellow, green, red. Okay, there are three colors here. One yellow, one green, one red. Now we see here, there are some more colors here. Now the first one here, blue, pink, green, orange, red. Blue, pink, green, orange, and here red. Okay, now we'll see this one. What is this color? Purple color. What is this color? Purple color. Now here, what is this color? Blue color. Blue color. Purple and blue. Right? Now here, some more colors are here. Red color, blue color, green color, purple color. These are light green, light blue, here red, and here purple. Right? Now, you learned earlier also these colors. Now, today, I want to do some revision work. Right? We'll see next time with some more pictures and figures. Now, here pictures. With pictures we count today. Next day, I'm going to count with numbers. Right? Now, I want you to count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think you can remember the song. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little children, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little children, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little children, 10 little girls and boys. Okay. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and enjoy your revision lessons. Thank you very much.